Vegan and bulking aren't generally two words we associate with each other. Given that the clichéd stereotype of a vegan is someone who chooses their diet based on ethical and environmental reasons, not for aesthetics or size. With this being said, you can of course gain weight whilst following a vegan diet, it just takes a little creativity and consistency. So, can you gain muscle and bulk up on a vegan diet? Absolutely. With the culture and popularity of plant-based diets ever growing by the day, as does the number of athletes and bodybuilders choosing to follow a vegan diet. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to bulk, off-season, or new to bulking and just trying to gain weight, muscle mass, it can seem a daunting task to bulk up without consuming any animal products. Protein is of particular importance when combined weight training to gain muscle mass. International Society for Sports Nutrition found that strength training athletes need close to 2 grams protein per kilogram body weight, compared to 0.8 grams per kilogram body weight for non-weight training adults. It is absolutely possible to gain weight and muscle mass healthily and easily, without any animal products. See below our 12-step guide below to achieve the most successful vegan bulk. 1. Track your calories. With today's technology, it couldn't be easier to track your calories. As the goal is to gain weight, you need to eat in a calorie surplus, and therefore must start by establishing your maintenance weight. This will enable you work out many more calories you need to increase this by in order to gain weight successfully. Now you've got your maintenance calories down, you need to increase this number by 20% to establish your surplus. 2. Track your macros. So, you've figured out your maintenance calories and added your surplus, but how many of those calories should be split into protein, carbs, fat? These 3 macronutrients are the biggest nutrient groups that make up our food. Whilst a calorie is a calorie, might be true for mere weight gain or loss, it is how these calories are spread into each macro group that will dictate how effectively your body builds or repairs muscle tissue. We could be here all day discussing the science of macros, but to keep things short and sweet, we have devised this optimal vegan macro split. Follow a high-protein diet of 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Keep your fat intake moderate with around 20 to 30% of your calories coming from fat. Consume the remainder of your calories in the form of carbs. 3. Consistency is key. This goes for your diet, training and sleep. Ensure you stay on track of your diet, as discussed above, and are regularly strength training in order to gain maximum muscle gains. This being said, don't overdo it. Training any more than 5x a week will put stress on your body and can hinder your gains. Your bulking efforts in the gym and the kitchen are to achieve your goal of muscle growth. However, in order for this to happen, you must give your body chance to recover and your muscles chance to repair. This is where sleep comes into effect. Aim for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of sleep at night to allow your muscles to repair and grow to their full effect. 4. Good things come to those who wait. Successfully bulking takes time, even on a high-protein diet with animal products. It's therefore worth keeping in mind that it may take longer to bulk without animal products, but do not be deterred or demotivated if you don't see any change by week 2. You will need to create a calorie surplus, 20% higher than your maintenance calories. 5. Watch your portions. Just as with any non-vegan bulk, it's recommended that you keep your portions large and your meals frequent, so you have a constant stream of nutrients to draw energy from all day. This doesn't mean you have to stuff yourself sick. If you struggle with huge portions, make your meals smaller in size but ensure they are frequent and snack in between meals to hit your macros. 6. High-protein foods. Yes, we know it goes without saying, but ensuring you hit your daily protein goal is essential to see the best results from your efforts in the gym and the kitchen. A useful tip is to keep cooked lentils and black beans in the fridge at all times so you have a quick go-to when short of time. Beans are a fantastic muscle-building protein source and very versatile, so if in doubt, throw some beans in for good measure. 7. Even more protein. Got your blender at the ready? By far the easiest way to pack in plenty of plant protein is by blending a variety of sources into a nutritious shake. You don't necessarily have to down the whole lot in one go either if you are struggling with the volume. You can have first thing half in the morning and save half for before bed to ensure you hit your protein goal with ease. See our TPW Big Fat Vegan Shake recipe in step 10 below for a calorie-dense shake to get a serious nutritional boost while getting those all-important calories in. 8. Fake it till you make it. No matter how organized you are, There will be times that you find yourself without the resources you need, or the required time to prepare a meal or shake from scratch. This is where protein shakes and mass gainers really come into their own. 9. Supplements. Anyone following a plant-based diet is recommended to supplement their diet with a multivitamin, vitamin B12, due to lack of red meat, and vitamin D3. It is also recommended to supplement your diet with creatine, 5 grams daily, and glutamine, 5 grams daily, when bulking to gain optimal results. It's also recommended to include a post-workout carbohydrate drink to deliver quick, post-workout carbs. 10. Reduce or limit your cardio. An effective way to speed up your gains is to reduce, or completely exclude, cardio training to hold onto those precious calories you're putting into your body. Hitting the recommended 10,000 steps a day won't do you any harm at all. However, long duration or high intensity cardio is a surefire way to torch off those precious surplus calories you've been putting in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.